OMG. So you guys, we are going to just hop right in. I just see by the title, we got some new Fenty products. Did I say Fenty? Okay, so we're just gonna jump right in, you guys. I miss you guys so freaking much. Like, so much. Like, so much. As you guys know, I like to use foundation first now. And I finally picked up the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. And I bought this in the number 22. Ooh, hopefully it's not too dark on me. Okay, let's put this on. What? Ooh, it's not bad. I don't know how much I should put on because I want it to look more skin friendly. As you guys know, I'm on that wave. But so far it's red. It has a nice red undertone. I have a warm red undertone. I feel like this is not bad. The way it feels on my skin, like I don't even feel like I even like applied anything to my skin. So let's start blending this bad boy out. Yeah, it's very light. Yeah, it's very light. So let me just continue blending this all over this face. So it's not that bad. It's not like matching my neck for sure, but it's making my face a lot more red. So it is a real red undertone foundation. I would have tried 21, but it was kind of confusing looking at the Sephora skin chart. So I did not know like which one to pick. So I'm just like, you know what, let me just go for 22. But so far, it's okay. I like the way it feels. It's very lightweight. Like I don't even feel like I have anything on my skin. Like I just feel regular. Like I don't even feel like I applied any tint, anything on my skin, so that's a plus. It does blur out my skin a lot. It made my face look a lot more smoother, even though I have smooth skin, but it's just giving a perfect, beautiful blend, I would say. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Fenty Beauty Matchsticks Matte Skin Stick in Caviar. And I want to see if it's gonna definitely give me a contoured. Ooh, it is dark. Hold on. Oh, this is dark. I wanted to always try a Fenty stick for contouring. This is dark. Okay, Fenty. That is dark. Caviar is dark. I'm going to blend Caviar out. And when I was applying it on, finishing to it is really beautiful. Like I kind of like how it was applying to my skin. It kind of looks dark gray to me. So I'm just gonna keep blending this out. But so far, it's not bad. Okay, you guys, so this is how it's looking so far. Also gonna be jumping right in with the Fenty Bright Fix Eye Brighter Illuminator. And I got this in the number 12, which is called Almond Butter. And I also believe this is new. So I'm like pretty excited. I honestly just grabbed it. I'm like, okay, it's new. Let me just apply it. Let me just get it. So I'm just gonna, and I like how it looks. Actually, what? I'm not gonna show you guys how it looks. So this is how it looks. Okay, that's the applicator. It has like a hardcore, like a hard piece, which I've never seen a concealer like that before. You know what it looks like? The push pops, ring pops. That's how the applicator looks. It like blurs out your under eye, I believe. Oh, the one I picked up is really light. Oh my gosh, you guys, you know why I'm laughing right now? Because this is an eye brightener. And I'm applying it like it's concealer. Oh gosh. Oh Lord, whatever. We're just gonna work. We're just gonna do the do, okay? We're just gonna do the do. Like, I can't believe I use this as a whole freaking concealer type of look. I need to go buy their actual concealer. That's gonna be for next time. I promise y'all. I'm gonna buy the concealer because this is an eye brightener. I forgot my camera wasn't on. But anyways, okay, this eye brightener is very serious. When I was blending it out, it wasn't, I mean, I left it on for a while, but it wasn't like budging. If you have a damped beauty blender, then it'll definitely do its justice. Okay, I feel like we're gonna have to add concealer, or should I just keep it like this? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna keep it like this, but I'm gonna add a little bit more. Even though it's an eye brightener, I'm gonna just add this. But I'm definitely going to be adding a different concealer to the rest of my face because I need concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna be going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Floor Concealer in Honey. You guys already know. And I'm just gonna be applying that to my main areas. But the colors do kind of match, which is bomb. And as you guys can see, I'm legit just blending what I had on my nose and blending it upwards towards my forehead. All the items that I did use in this video, you guys, from Fenty is looking really good. This is more for like your everyday wear. You know what I'm saying? If you want to still look good but not have a full beat on, quick, cute beat, this is definitely it. Like, so right now I'm just gonna bake up my face with the Laura Mercier powder. You guys already know how that looks. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. As you guys can see, okay, Fenty is literally going for, I feel like with Fenty, they're really going for natural looks. Like, you know, like your go-to type of face. They want you to have a smooth, finished looking face. So I really love everything about it. The powder is really good. As you guys can see, my makeup is looking even more smoother than it was. Okay, so yeah, this powder is bomb.com. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty's Mocha Mommy bronzer. Okay, Sunstalker. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my eyebrows. Now I did not buy anything from Fenty. The next time I will buy their eyebrow pencil and stuff like that, but I did not buy anything from Fenty, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. So yeah, I'll be right back. So I'm gonna be honestly honest with you guys. I want this to be a whole like Fenty Beauty type of thing, but sometimes I'm just like, let me just, you know, add a little something else in there. So I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise Blank Canvas Base and kind of apply it to my eyelids so we can start using the Fenty eyeshadow. So yeah, let me just add a bit of that and I'll be right back. So I just applied a bit of that base and I'm just gonna softly blend out everything. It's real nice and soft. So now I'm gonna go in with one of Fenty's old eyeshadow palettes, and this one is called Moroccan Spice. I had this for a while. I didn't buy one of their new ones because I'm just like, ugh, I don't know if I should buy it yet. So the type of look I want to go for is something real, I don't know if I should do color today. Let me see their pink. Ooh. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm gonna go in with that shade right there. That shade is called, to me, I believe it's called something. I'm just gonna apply it right on top of right there. Ooh, that's not bad. So I'm gonna add, to me, I'm just gonna keep blending it in my crease area and keep going upwards and downwards, upwards and downwards. Yeah, and do you see how soft it's looking? Like it's just looking real good. Like everything just, you know what I'm saying? It's just looking real good. I don't even know what I'm gonna apply after this, but this is just looking so good. I feel like I need to give it something, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so now that I'm done with that, oh, this is real pretty. Okay, Fenty Beauty. Like, I barely go in with this palette. I don't even know why. Maybe because it doesn't have a lot of shades that I'll actually go for. Like, obviously, I'll go for, like, more so of the neutral shades. But for this dark gray and stuff like that, it's kind of like, off. Then I'm gonna just, I'm just gonna end up grabbing this pinky shade right there. This is gonna look. Okay, it's not that bad. You always want to start adding your eyeshadow from the back just to see if you're gonna like it or not, but it's actually not bad. So let me just keep applying that on top. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Ooh, it's the tones for me. I feel like it's just this color just complementing everything. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really liking that a lot. This is definitely talking to me. Do you guys see like the transition and everything like that? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop right in with my eyelashes. Okay, do you guys see how flawless the Fenty products are looking right now on my skin? I mean, it's a go, it's a do, it's a everything to me, and I feel like this is definitely going to be my everyday use foundation. I feel like it's just so flawless because it's a tint, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go in with the lips. I'm gonna add a dark brown liner. I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Gloss Bomb, okay? And this is called Fussy. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. I don't even know what it smells like. It smells like a fruit though. It smells so good. So good. Okay guys, so I hope you guys like everything that you guys see. I feel like I will attach a video later on, can't wait out, but I feel like I will attach a video later on to definitely tell you guys what is my final thought about each and every product that we used, okay? Especially the tint, the Eaze Drop Blurring Tint. I definitely want to see what it would give at the end of the night. So right now we just finished our makeup. It is 5:03 p.m. Okay, I'm done with the look. Everything is just looking so phenomenal. Oh my gosh, Fenty, you guys are giving skin though. Giving skin, okay guys? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely want to try these products for you guys since I'm super late. Okay, I didn't mean to, but you guys already know what it is. I told you guys in my other video what's the reason what I've been doing. So yeah, so I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you guys really like how this look came out, okay? Comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, my lovelies. Okay, guys, so this is how my makeup is looking right now. My makeup is so cute though.